Hi. This week we were doing inputs, and so I've done, this is my first here. Basically it's a sound sensor. I will show it to you here. So this is the board, as you can see here. Wait, it's this way. This is how I made it. I used this tutorial. It's from, I think, 2014, and you can find pretty much everything you need here. So once I have that programmed, I've used, okay, this is the Python running. You can see its code here, and well, I don't know much about it, but I can just demonstrate what it does. So, la la la. Woo. Yeah, and you can see the lines here are moving when I speak. So it works. Bye.